Hello and welcome to SketchUp Layout. We're going to see 3 ways to make plumbing and water line drawings. The first is Sir LM's method from SketchUp and Layout Artist. Try to message him for how much it is. The second would be the VBO piping. Try to message Keurig, KCDA or VBO for also how much to download. And the third method is my method, which you can recreate yourself. It might not be that accurate, but let's start. Using a blank template, let's start to see Sir LM's scrapbook. Once loaded, you could see that it is just a layout file that you could drag and drop onto your floor plan. For this demonstration, I had edited the paper space to be able to see all the fittings. Simply drag and drop a fitting, a pipe, or both. So how this works is that you lay over these layouts of fittings and pipes onto your floor plan towards the fixture. These are based on standard sizes, so you can thank Sir for that. And this is the second method, which VBO works on the model space before putting it into layout. This is great for works such as isometric view of plumbing, like this used in one of my presentations before. So the beauty of this is that it could be accurate, but it could also be time-consuming. An example for this is a model imported from 3D Warehouse. We draw lines that represent the water layout towards the fixture. Now be sure to only work with 90° and 45° so that the fittings will show. What we try to do is, after drawing the lines, we put them into one group and then press the extension so that it can be converted into a 3D model. We already see an end cap, a 90° elbow, and a direction toward the fixture. We could also color code our pipes so that it will be easily seen in layout. We could also realign, reposition, or redraw the pipes in case of revisions, and the 3D model will follow. For this, let's try to choose a bigger pipe and color code it orange to represent sanitary. We could also replace sockets, experimenting them, such as flange or whatever fittings seem appropriate for the project. Lastly, we have a grouped scrapbook, the third workflow, which is called Kimbook. You could just drag and drop the whole layout since it is already grouped together. By ungrouping this, you could try to get simple elements such as the pipe and draw it according to your floor plan. The fittings here are just simple lines with endpoints and start arrows that are grouped together, such as this Y and 45° pipe. You could place them on intersections and continue drawing on from there. This Y is a group composed of 2 lines, and this is one group composed of 1 line with a start and end arrow that represents a fitting. These are enlarged, but you could also change the line weight to represent the P-trap and the direction it flows outward to. This is an example of a grouped water line as well, and we could use them by tilting the floor plan into an isometry and all the data. So keep practicing with any kind of workflow that suits you best, and don't forget that it's okay to import 3D models into the layout file for views that are hard to draw on 2D alone. Always make sure that our general notes and symbols are reflected on our plans as well. Study the National Building Code, the Plumbing Code, and our drafting standards. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow SketchUp and Layout Artist and VBO as well. If you have any questions, drop them down below.